welcome back to our healthy recipe video series. We've designed this video series to help inspire you to cook healthy, delicious meals that will satisfy your whole family. Today we're making these beautiful and healthy applesauce cookies with chocolate chips. In a large bowl, we're going to combine a full cup of applesauce. Each of these is half a cup, so we're going to put 2. And this is unsweetened applesauce, no added sugar. We have a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. And we have 1 large egg. And finally, 1/3 cup of honey. And we're going to mix these to combine the liquid ingredients. To our wet mixture, we're going to go ahead and add a whole cup of uncooked oats, a cup of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and this is a mixture of a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And finally, we're going to go ahead and add a whole cup of chocolate chips. Now that this is all mixed together, we're going to put this in the refrigerator and let it set for 10 minutes to allow the liquid to soak into the oats and make them softer. Our dough has had time to rest in the refrigerator, and now we're going to use these 2 spoons. You can also use an ice cream scoop or a cookie scoop to do this, but I'm going to do this the old-fashioned way. And we're going to go ahead and place the rounded tablespoon of dough on the parchment for each cookie. And I've just lined mine with aluminum foil to make it a little easier to get the cookies off. Okay, now I've put all the cookies out with some room for them to spread a little bit. And off camera, I went ahead and preheated my oven to 325 degrees. So we will go ahead and put these in the oven for 11 to 13 minutes, or until the edges of the cookies are lightly browned and the center is set. So it's been about 13 minutes, and the cookies, it might be hard to see on camera, but the cookies do have brown edges, and you'll see as I tap them that they are pretty firm, so they're set up. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off of the foil and put them onto this cooling rack over here.